Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting Clickbank with our Clickbank case study on My Lead Gen Secrets here. Now, we're going to do something a little different today, guys. As you see, I didn't get a sale yesterday, it's fine, but we're going to do something a little different. So I was talking, well, I wasn't talking to this guy, but this guy posted something very interesting to me. And it got me an idea. He said that, right, he got a sale just putting this at the end of his email, promoting Clickbank. Now, something that I noticed in my lead gen secrets in general is that the emails that I wrote, those 10 emails that I wrote a while ago promoting another product, work really well. They work really well with my lead gen secret. And they are the best performing emails I don't sent out. Those 10 emails I wrote. I think they still are. Let me see if I can find one. Let's look here into this. Go back a couple. Whenever you see like a really high number, it's probably one I wrote myself. Right here you go one, 367. Right. There go another one, 259. Oh. I'm noticing not every time, but most times when I post my emails, they do really well, right? So I got it in my head here. This is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna send my email promoting a different product. What? There we go. All right. We're gonna send a different email promoting a different product here. So let's go down and find one of my emails. Making money my first week. That's the email there. So we're just gonna get rid of the chats here. We're just gonna pick making money my first week. First name. We'll just do that. See what happens. Like that. Alright, and this is the email I wrote here. Gonna hit perfect timing. Look at my face, my beautiful face. Now what we want to do at the end here, we want to put PS, get paid using Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. We're gonna, that's social pay. That's the one I've been promoting, right? So let's go to it in the marketplace here. E-business, e-marketing, any product here should work, but this is the one that's been working for me. Social pay here. So at the end of this email, I want to pick PS, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, right? That's what I want to pick. And for right here, we're gonna highlight and pick Saving Highway Global. I mean, pick our link here. Gonna pick MLGS1 on it as well. You know, same thing. But we're promoting it as well, but we're promoting a different product at the same time. So we're promoting two different products like this. I don't know how well this will work. We're trying it out. Let's see what happens. Hey, so what link is? Now let's change that. We want a different link for this. Saving Highway Global, guys. I kind of been slacking on Saving Highway Global. I'm only making, I think I'm down to like $55 a month. Haven't been promoting it, but I'm still making money off of it more than spending, so it's fine. But I'm gonna get back to promoting it, since that's in general just get our funnel, regular funnel. This is the one that's promoted worked the best for me. The first one, it just does really well for some reason. Well, compared to the other two. I tried the other two in multiple videos. Y'all have seen the videos, the older videos on the Saving Howard Global stuff. Yeah, I tried those and it didn't work too well. But anyway, this is what we're gonna do this time here. We're gonna promote, since these emails work really well, I'm thinking with Clickbank, right? Now the Clickbank emails, they don't work too well if they're constantly used by the bite. People have seen those emails multiple times, you know. So I'm thinking my personal emails, the one I personally wrote, those would perform a little better because they never seen those emails. They'll be interested, like, what is this? Making money in my first week? What is this? You know what I mean? And then they might check out the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube thing down here. Now that's the idea. We're gonna see how it works. We're gonna try it for a while. And at the same time, you can promote your own product. See, this type of email works for any product. You can pick whatever you want here. I'm picking Saving Highway Global since it's more of a recurring income. And like, if I get a sale on Saving Highway Global, it's a really big deal. I've made, let's see, I gotten like 6 or 7 sales on Saving Highway Global. I made up to $335 on like 7 sales alone. And I'm getting recurring income. This is very good. And three of the people I got in sales on are staying. That's half of the people signed in staying. And they are the most paying ones. Those are the ones that really dedicated into this. So you're gonna get sales. When you get sales with Saving Highway Global, it's more beneficial because you're building income. All right, so with that out the way, we can send these kind of emails, right? And we can try to get sales with Clickbank with this product here, because this product is doing really well, right? So maybe they check it out, maybe they don't. It doesn't matter, but this is interesting. Get paid, use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. That sounds very interesting. Very interesting to try, especially for somebody very interested in making money. Chances are they use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube already. So they figure, why not make a little extra money too, right? So anyway, you click on Perfect Timing. Perfect Timing, what it does, it sends the email around the time people check their email. So if, for example, you check your email around 8 o'clock a.m., it'll send the email around that same time. Anyway, that's that. Now let's keep it moving here. Both of the links work. Yep. And that one works. Okay, we're doing good. All right, so let's send this email, see what happens. Now, if you have multiple accounts, now this is what you want to do. Let's wait until this email is sent. If you've seen any video already in the series, you know exactly what to do. But just in case you're brand new, this is what you do. Come up here, you make a different thing for it. You log out on this one. Log in, right, into your next account. And then you send the emails from here. So I basically just grab this here. Right, paste it. Same here. Boom. Copy and paste. Right, first we change this 150. Then we change this to 2. And boom, that's all you gotta do. And then you send this email as well, like that. And once you finish this email for your second account, right, You go to your Nets account. How many ever accounts you got? You need a minimum. I recommend 2. Maximum, the moon, to the moon, really. Maximum. I've seen people do really well with just 5. I think 5 is like the spot, right? Some people get 7, some people got 10, but 5 is the spot that usually people stop at. I think if they do get multiple accounts, minimum 2, so you have a ton of leads to mail. So anyway, we log out here, log in. Let's go to my Nets account here. Log in here. See, that last email didn't do well at all. So we're gonna send. Only got 63 clicks there. So we're just gonna send this email here. Copy, paste, and then we just hit that. This 150. For some reason it sets to 1,000. I don't know why, but whatever. You can just change it easy. Then you change this to 3. Right? There you go, guys. That's all it takes. And now you're promoting 2 different products at the same time. Very helpful. Remember, you can try this. Give it a shot, but don't pick too many. I think 2 is probably the best you can do. You could put a bunch if you want to, but we're gonna try 2, see how it performs. Most people only send 1 at a time. I'm gonna try 2 and see how it performs. All right, and that's that, guys. One more thing. Make sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so I can know which videos you guys like the most. I figured you guys like the Clickbank stuff most, so I'm kind of focused on Clickbank a little bit more now. I'm gonna start trying to focus on that. I just constantly like trying stuff and giving you guys, showing you guys the results of certain when I try stuff. Now, what I do, don't do it. Only focus on one thing. What I do, don't do it. Only focus on one thing. Get yourself a decent income with that one thing. Then you can try other things. See, that's the method I'm in right now. I'm good money wise. So I try a bunch of different things randomly, right? But you don't have to do that. You focus on one thing. Make sure to do that, right? And build yourself another income. Build yourself an income, a reliable source of income. Anyway, that's all I got to say, guys. And I'll see you next time. Peace.